Welcome to our video guide on managing the Search Plus module. This tool enhances the search functionality of your web store, providing valuable insights into search statistics and enabling the use of search alternatives to improve customer experience. Follow along as we demonstrate how to effectively utilize the Search Plus module to optimize your website's search capabilities. Begin by installing the Search Plus module via the App Shop in the admin area of your website. Once installed, navigate to the Reports and Search Statistics tabs to access insights into product search results and statistics. Utilize the Search Plus filter options to refine your search results and obtain relevant data for analysis. Analyze search statistics data to track the success of product searches and view metrics such as keywords, search count, search week, search month, success rate, date added, and last modified. Explore the My Marketing Tools and Search Alternatives tabs to work with search alternatives, allowing you to offer correct keywords suggested by the module instead of customer-entered keywords that may be incorrect or misspelled. Create or edit search alternatives by clicking the Insert or Edit buttons to improve search accuracy. Use the Quick Search option to easily find the alternatives you need by name. For streamlined navigation through a large volume of records, customize the display by setting the record quantity per page using the drop-down list. Stay ahead in the competitive e-commerce landscape by optimizing your website's search capabilities with the Search Plus module. Start managing this tool today to elevate your website's search functionality and drive customer satisfaction. And thanks for watching.